Hey everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Toyosi Ogumbowale here, and today what we want to do is to fund our AI market bot with perfect money. Okay, so if you are also a partner with AI marketing just like I am, and you have always had to fund your bot with crypto, right? You've been thinking of how else you could fund the bot. This is the video for you. Okay, so just stay till the end. Let's go right into it. We're funding our robot with perfect money. So you just need to sign into your account. You scroll down, come over here where you see the tab that says top up. Click on top up, put in the amount. We're going to do a demo of about $50 because of course that's the minimum, right? We're going to click on our payment option, which is perfect money. Click on it and ask that you want to make the payment. Click on pay. Now once you click on pay, you are shown this asking you to select your desired method. I'm not using the e-voucher, I'm using the perfect money account. Okay, I'm going to make the payment from my own perfect money account. So I'm going to click just on payment right here, click on it, and now you are routed back to perfect money, asking for your details. Okay, right, so what you need to put in now is your member ID. So I believe you already know your member ID for your perfect money account. Now I'm going into my perfect money to get that member ID. I'm just going to put it in here. Okay, then put in my password. Right, then try and put in this number correctly. Okay, good. Let's just check to be sure that it's as correct as it should be. Then click on make payment. Okay, now we are asked to confirm our identity. Please confirm your identity, perfect money identity. You have to send in the PIN code that has been sent into your email. So perfect money has just notified me that something is about to go on in my perfect money account. A debit is about to be made, and then they're giving me a PIN so that they are sure that it's me doing it, right? So now I have it. The PIN has arrived. I'm just going to put in the PIN here. Great, I have the PIN. Continue once you have put in the PIN correctly, and then here is your payment review. It says that it's showing you everything they are doing. They're going to take away some fee, and then they'll just send the money directly. So I'm going to confirm payment. I don't have enough money. Right, I don't have enough money to fund this, so I just need to add more money into my perfect money account, and then I'll be back to do this. All right, okay, so we have been able to top back up the perfect money account that was below what I needed to fund my bot. I had just $50.24 in there, and then I was going to top up with about $50, and the charge was a $99, so it wasn't going to be okay for the transaction. So I've done the top up now, and now I want to continue with my funding. Okay, so I'm back on. Yes, perfect money account, make payments. We already did this before, so this shouldn't be confusing for anyone, right? Now if you don't know how to open your own perfect money account and fund it, you might want to see the video I did about that. Okay, just go ahead and look at my list of videos and watch that. I will try and make it an end screen to this particular one. So preview payment. Yes, so this is what we got. I'm going to confirm payment. Okay, when you click on confirm payment, boom, here we go. The payment was successful. Your batch number for confirmation is this. Okay, so if you want to do this, you can just copy this number in here, okay, and keep it somewhere. But since it's been completed, I don't think there's any need, right? So look at it, paid from account. You can see my name in here. Now you can see the account I paid to, AI marketing. So there are no mistakes, right? This is just how you confirm that the payment that you made went through directly to the company and there are no mistakes. So since I'm done, I just click on continue. Okay, now I think it's routing us back to AI marketing to look at what we just did. Yeah, we need to log in again. Let's quickly log in again and then that will do justice. I'm not a robot. Okay. Right, we are back here, and if you look towards the top left corner here, you can see ad balance is $50. While I started doing this top up, I didn't have anything in my ad balance, and in fact you would have seen at that time that the robot status was off. Okay, and it's still off because it really just received funding. Now whenever you wait, this is the challenge you have with waiting till your robot goes off. Anytime you wait for your robot to go off before you top it up, either with the balance you already, either with your cashback, that's the profit you already made from advertising, or an external source, anytime you wait up until the robot goes off before you fund it whatever way you can, it will take a longer time for the robot to come back on. Now you see this, I funded with $50. This would have to wait till maybe a week's time. Okay, by the time it's about a week's time, between 5 to I think 8 or 10 days, this money here would move into my advertising budget. Okay, when you click on sales, you'll see the budget. No, not sales, my marketing, I believe. No, not my marketing. Okay, sorry, start. When you click on start, you would see the amount spent, the profit, the advertising budget, and all of that. So once the advertising budget increases, you already know that what you funded the robot with has moved into the advertising budget, and you'll be fine. Okay, there's nothing else to do. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got real value in here. Let's keep making money, with the help of robotics, right? So if you don't know what AI marketing is about, you're just new to my channel, I will leave a link below so that you can check it out and see if it's a good fit for you, right? Then if you like this video, I would love you to like and subscribe so you can just get more updates about new things and new ways of generating passive income. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Do have a lovely day. Bye.